Hi guys, welcome to my sewing space. For those who don't know me, my name is Pula and this is my channel. I'm going to show you how to use this tool on the table, the plastic pliers. If you maybe recently bought one and you don't know how to use it, or you're looking into having one, then this video is for you. Sit back and relax. I got you. For this tutorial, I don't have a lot. I will use these two small rectangles that I've cut out, some pliers, as well as the snap buttons. In that snap buttons packet, you get the closing ring with the spikes. There's a male set with a protruding center, as well as this female set with a hole in the center. So just so you know guys, not all the spiky rings in your pocket are good. You might find the faulty rings too, the spiky rings, like this one. This one is broken, badly broken at that. You can see that there's missing spikes. This one too, there's missing spikes there, so I'm not going to use it. And then this one, it's inwardly bent, so I'm not going to use it as well because it might just cause problems and we don't want that. For a better understanding at this, I have arranged the buttons into pairs. This is how you will actually pair them up when you install. So the first one is called the male pair, and then the second one is called the female pair. And then those two top rings are spikes that go with both the pairs. So looking at the male button, it looks like that's from the side with the protruding center, and then the female one looks like that. It's flat with the up and down side different from each other. So basically that and that is the same thing. One side is big and smooth, and then the other one is small and rough. This is the tool of the day, the pliers. If you take a close look, the one side has a hole, and then on this side it does not have a hole, it is just flat. And this is what we do. Grab your male stud with the point facing down and then place it inside the hole of the pliers. Push them in with your fingers. Flip your pliers, then grab the ring stud with the spikes. Place your ring on the pliers with the spike facing up. Then push that down if you can. Take your fabric, and assuming that you have marked where you want your buttons to be, you will then squeeze your pliers to keep your buttons in place. Easy as that, the male button is in. So now we'll move on to installing the clipping pair, which is the female one. Grab the female stud with the rough small inner circle facing down and the big smoother circle facing up or towards the fabric, and place it on the pliers. Pick your ring with the spikes and place it on the flat surface of the pliers with the spikes facing up, and then press them down if possible. Grab the matching fabric that you would have marked and install your snap button there. For the purpose of this video, I have used a faulty spike just so you guys can see what happens when you don't pay attention to your spike, guys. So like I always say, please be careful, don't use a faulty spike. So on this one, I went ahead and used this faulty one instead, and can you see in the center there's a spike there that is peeping on the ring. So I'm just gonna try and close it so you can see. Can you see that? It is not holding, and that is a very costly mistake. So I went ahead and corrected that faulty one, and so I did it here following the same steps as the previous steps. And can you see that it is holding? So the snap button is holding, and that is basically how it should be. And just like that, we've come to the end of the video. If you guys enjoyed this video, please don't forget to comment in the section below. Don't forget to like and share. Please subscribe if you haven't. And until we see you guys next time, re tla bonana.